There's a strange moment that almost every man experiences at least once. You stop texting. You stop chasing. You stop trying to convince someone to stay. And suddenly, the silence becomes louder than anything you could have said. The phone doesn't ring. No messages appear. Hours become days. Then something unexpected happens. The person who barely noticed your presence begins wondering where you went. Why? Most men think people miss us because of what we do for them. They believe that being available, always replying instantly, always making time, always fixing problems, and always proving loyalty will make someone value them. But psychology tells a different story. People rarely miss what never has a chance to disappear. Think about air. You don't appreciate every breath while you're comfortably sitting at home. But remove oxygen for just a few seconds and suddenly it becomes the only thing that matters. Human attention works in surprisingly similar ways. I'm not talking about manipulation. I'm not talking about playing childish games or pretending you don't care. I'm talking about understanding a psychological truth that many confident men discover far too late. Sometimes your absence speaks more honestly than your presence ever could. Imagine a campfire. Stand too close and eventually the heat becomes uncomfortable. Take one step back and suddenly the warmth feels inviting again. Relationships often follow the same invisible law. The more desperately you try to force closeness, the more the other person unconsciously feels crowded. The more you respect space, the more room there is for curiosity. Curiosity is one of the strongest emotional forces in the human brain. People don't obsess over what they completely understand. They obsess over unfinished stories. Think about your favorite TV series. The episode doesn't end after every mystery is solved. It ends with questions. Your brain keeps replaying possibilities until the next episode arrives. Psychologists call this the Zeigarnik effect. The mind remembers unfinished experiences better than completed ones. That's why some conversations stay with you for days. That's why you suddenly remember someone while driving home alone. Not because they demanded your attention, because they left your imagination unfinished. Now imagine two different men. The first man sends 10 messages after being ignored. He explains himself repeatedly. He apologizes for things he didn't even do. He asks if everything is okay every few hours. The second man notices the distance. He smiles. He continues living his life. He goes to the gym. He meets friends. He works on his goals. He doesn't disappear out of anger. He simply refuses to abandon himself for someone else's attention. Which man occupies more mental space? Ironically, it isn't the one making the most noise, it's the quiet one. Silence forces imagination to begin working. When someone always explains themselves, there's nothing left to wonder about. No. When someone confidently continues living without demanding reassurance, questions naturally appear. Where is he? What's he doing? Why isn't he reacting? The human brain dislikes unanswered questions. It naturally searches for answers. But here's where many men make a critical mistake. They confuse absence with emotional coldness. These are not the same thing. Coldness pushes people away. Purposeful absence simply creates room for appreciation. Picture your favorite song. If it played 24 hours a day without stopping, eventually you'd become numb to it. The melody wouldn't change. Your perception would. Value decreases when something feels endlessly available. Scarcity changes attention. This isn't just true for relationships, it's true for luxury brands, it's true for vacations, it's true for weekends. It's true for almost everything the human brain considers valuable. Availability creates comfort. Scarcity creates awareness. Healthy relationships need both. Here's another uncomfortable truth. People don't only miss how you made them feel. They miss who they became around you. Maybe you inspired confidence. Maybe your humor helped them forget stressful days. Maybe your calm personality made life feel less chaotic. Those emotional experiences become attached to your presence. When your presence disappears, so do those emotional states. The brain naturally wants them back. Notice something important. None of this requires pretending. None of it requires posting fake pictures to make someone jealous. None of it requires ignoring messages for exactly 6 hours because some internet influencer recommended it. Real confidence doesn't follow scripts. It follows principles. One of those principles is emotional independence. Imagine entering a room carrying a heavy backpack. Every conversation becomes exhausting because you're desperately hoping someone else will carry your weight. Now imagine entering the same room with empty hands. You're there because you genuinely enjoy being there, not because you need validation. People instantly feel the difference. Neediness creates pressure. Confidence creates freedom. Freedom is attractive because it allows others to choose you rather than feel responsible for your happiness. There's another fascinating psychological phenomenon: emotional contrast. Warm coffee feels hotter after holding ice. A comfortable bed feels better after a long day. Silence feels peaceful after loud music. Presence feels more valuable after absence. Contrast sharpens appreciation. Without contrast, everything slowly becomes ordinary. Many men unknowingly eliminate contrast by making themselves permanently accessible. Every notification receives an immediate reply. Every invitation is accepted. Every schedule revolves around one person. Over time, predictability replaces excitement, not because they're boring, because nothing ever changes. Mystery isn't about hiding who you are. It's about continuing to grow in ways people haven't fully discovered yet. The most interesting men aren't mysterious because they refuse to talk. They're mysterious because they're always becoming someone new. They learn new skills, travel to unfamiliar places, read books, build businesses, improve their health, develop discipline. Every month there's another layer people didn't expect. Growth creates mystery. Stagnation creates predictability. Now ask yourself a simple question. If someone stopped hearing from you tomorrow, what exactly would they miss? Would they miss constant reassurance, or would they miss your humor, your confidence, your calm presence, your ambition, your ability to make ordinary moments feel unforgettable? That answer reveals far more than any dating advice ever could, because people don't truly miss availability. They miss value. And value isn't created by chasing attention. It's created by becoming someone whose presence naturally improves the lives of the people around him. The irony is almost poetic. The harder you try to make someone miss you, the less likely they are to. But when your attention shifts toward building a meaningful life that doesn't depend on anyone's approval, you become unforgettable without even trying. But the story doesn't end there, because there's one psychological principle that changes everything. People don't miss perfection. They miss emotional impact. Think back to your own life. Can you remember every person you've ever met? Probably not. But you can remember the few people who made you laugh when life felt heavy. The mentor who believed in you before you believed in yourself. The friend who showed up when everyone else disappeared. The woman whose smile could instantly change your mood. Memory doesn't record every event equally. It records emotion. The stronger the emotion, the deeper the memory. That's why a single unforgettable conversation can outlive 100 ordinary ones. If your presence consistently brings peace, confidence, excitement, or inspiration into someone's life, those emotions become linked to you. When you're gone, the brain doesn't simply remember your face, it remembers how it felt around you. And feelings have a strange way of returning long after words are forgotten. This is why chasing rarely works. Every desperate text shifts the emotional experience from comfort to pressure. Instead of wondering where you are, the other person begins wondering how to escape the expectation. Pressure suffocates curiosity. Freedom creates it. Now imagine standing on the edge of the ocean. You watch the waves come toward the shore. Then they pull away. Then they return again. The beauty of the ocean isn't in constant movement in one direction. It's in rhythm. Healthy relationships have rhythm too. There are moments of closeness, moments of independence, moments of conversation, moments of silence. Neither person loses themselves to keep the other. Instead, both continue growing while choosing to reconnect. That choice is powerful, because chosen attention always feels more meaningful than forced attention. Here's another truth that most men never hear. You cannot make someone genuinely miss a version of yourself that never existed. If you've spent months pretending to be someone you're not, pretending to agree with everything, pretending to enjoy things you secretly dislike, pretending to have no boundaries, then the person isn't connected to the real you. They're connected to a performance, and performances are exhausting. Authenticity lasts longer than approval. There comes a moment in every man's life when he has to ask a difficult question. Am I trying to be loved? Or am I trying to be accepted by everyone? Those are completely different goals. The first requires honesty. The second requires endless acting. Eventually, every mask becomes too heavy to wear. That's why self-respect quietly becomes one of the most attractive qualities a man can possess. Not because it impresses people, because it protects his peace. A man with self-respect doesn't beg someone to recognize his value. He recognizes it himself. And something remarkable happens when he does. His conversations become calmer. His decisions become clearer. His confidence becomes quieter. He no longer argues to prove his worth. He no longer fears every delayed reply. He no longer measures his happiness by someone else's attention. Ironically, that's often the moment people begin paying attention. Not because he became more manipulative, because he became more emotionally grounded. Psychologists sometimes describe this as emotional security. Emotionally secure people don't cling to relationships, they invest in them. There's a difference. Clinging says, please don't leave me. Investing says, I'm happy we're sharing this journey. One is driven by fear, the other is driven by choice. Fear creates tension. Choice creates attraction. Now let's talk about something uncomfortable. Sometimes, someone won't miss you, no matter how kind you were, no matter how loyal you stayed, no matter how much effort you gave. And that's painful, but it's also liberating. Because it reminds you that human connection cannot be forced. You cannot negotiate genuine desire. You cannot earn someone's appreciation through endless sacrifice. You cannot convince someone to value what they have already decided to ignore. Many men waste years trying to change another person's feelings. Imagine using that same energy to change your own life instead. Learning new skills, building financial freedom, improving your health, strengthening friendships, traveling, reading, creating, leading. Suddenly, your life becomes bigger than one person's opinion. And here's the beautiful paradox. The less your identity depends on being missed, the more memorable you naturally become. Why? Because confidence is memorable. Purpose is memorable. Kindness is memorable. Discipline is memorable. Peace is memorable. People remember those who made life feel lighter, not those who demanded constant reassurance. So if you truly want someone to miss you, don't disappear to punish them. Disappear into your purpose. Don't use silence as revenge. Use it as space to grow. Don't chase attention. Build a life that naturally attracts it. Become the man who walks into a room bringing calm instead of chaos. The man whose words carry weight because he doesn't waste them. The man who keeps promises, honors boundaries, and values his own time as much as everyone else's. That kind of presence lingers, long after the conversation ends, long after the goodbye, long after the last message has been read. Because what people miss isn't constant availability. They miss emotional safety, they miss authenticity, they miss the confidence that never demanded applause. And perhaps that's the greatest lesson of all. The goal was never to make someone miss you. The real goal was to become someone worth remembering. When you stop chasing validation and start building character. When your happiness comes from purpose instead of approval. When your confidence is rooted in self-respect rather than attention. You discover something unexpected. Whether someone misses you or not, you no longer lose yourself waiting for the answer. And that, more than any psychological trick, is the quiet power of a man who truly understands his own worth. Because in the end, the people who leave the deepest mark on our lives aren't the loudest. They aren't the most desperate. They aren't the ones who fought hardest to stay in our minds. They're the ones who lived with purpose, loved with honesty, respected themselves, and left behind a feeling that could never be replaced. So instead of asking, how do I make someone miss me? Ask a better question. What kind of man am I becoming when no one is watching? Answer that question every single day. And one day you'll realize you no longer need to be unforgettable. You simply are.